One of the top priorities of a solid safety culture is keeping everybody in your facility safe and whole. Now, we talk about heavy machines every day at work, but what about the people on foot? Walking the floor is often more dangerous than driving. You have people, heavy equipment, and moving loads in the same space. It's a recipe for disaster if you don't have clear rules. Right away is about mutual respect. It's about a clear communication. It keeps the flow moving and keeps people from getting hurt in the process. Everybody plays a role here, and it's about awareness. And here are a few tips to help you with pedestrian right-of-way protocols. Number one, you want to standardize your hand signals. This is critical. If a forklift operator sees you, they should signal their path clearly. If you're walking, make eye contact before you cross their path. Use simple hand waves to confirm that you see each other. It's fast, it's safe, and it stops the guesswork. If you're not sure, don't move. Wait for the signal. Number two, you want to use floor tape and physical barriers. This is one of our sponsors' main things. If you use tools to guide your movement, it's going to work. Tape is a visual reminder, and Mighty Line tape is one of the best things out there to use. Barriers are physical ways and walls to keep folks safe. You want to make sure that your lines are bright and clear, and if a walkway is marked, stay in it. If a barrier is up, respect it. Never walk over or under a barrier. Number three, you want to wear high visible apparel. If you're on the floor, you need to be seen. A bright shirt makes you stand out against a warehouse's dark colors. Don't let your gear get covered by a hoodie or a coat. Bright colors save lives. And last but not least, number four, watch for blind spots. Forklifts have major blind spots. Never assume that a driver sees you. Stay back, wait for a signal. If you can't see the driver's eyes, they probably can't see you. So stop, look, listen, and be predictable. As always, these are potential tips. Please be sure to follow the rules and the regulations of your specific facility. Safety is a habit. It's not something you turn off at the door. When you walk through a warehouse, stay alert. Scan your surroundings. Check for traffic. Small steps like making eye contact or wearing safety vests can save lives. Make sure you think before you step. We're all here to get work done and go home to our families in one piece. Protect yourself. Protect your coworkers. This is how we keep the culture strong. It's about being a professional every single day in every single moment. And thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe. Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.